Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing a Cleopatra-esque look. Here will be the example of what I'm going for, and let's get on with the video.
I don't know how you convince them and get them, but I don't know where you do. It's unbelievable, and I don't know how you get over someone as dangerous.
How is everyone doing? How's COVID treating you? Everything going okay? Also, as I'm doing my makeup, I just want to say that there's that raffle that I done a video for. It is still going, so pick a number again from 1 to 40, and tickets are £4, and also there are £150 worth of products you could win, so definitely join that for free prizes.
So why is my heart broke? You got the world, but baby, what a price. Some things are straight, are hard to find. It isn't that hard, boy, to like you or love you and follow you down, down, down. You're unbelievable. If you're going crazy, just grab me and take me. I'll follow you down, down, down. Anywhere, anywhere. Oh, buddy, to go the show. I love you, honey. I'm ready, ready to go. How did you get that way? I don't know. You screwed up and brilliant, look like $1,000,000 diamonds. So why is my heart broken? To the show, baby, I love you, honey. I'm ready, ready to go. How did you get that way? I don't know. You screwed up and brilliant, look like $1,000,000 diamonds. So why is my heart broken? You screwed up and brilliant, look like $1,000,000 diamonds. So why is my heart broken?
I'll admit that we were just a little toxic, babe. I drove you mad till we crashed, then we lost our way. Gave it chance after chance, but it ain't the same. We managed to damage everything, you got me good. Retracted, fell back in, you were quick to make a move. Never fear the consequences of your action, acting nonchalant like it ain't never happened. Put her in no passenger, you got her fastened. So it's not right for you to hit my line on the late night. I'm just fine, cause you were out of sight and out of my mind. Cause I do me while you do you. Wish you want the best with your new boo. You hate stupid, but I was a fool for you. Watch me do me while you do you. Hope it works out with your new boo. Feeling stupid, cause I was a fool for you. Should've known that you're the type to try and play me, babe. Fool me once once, you fooled me twice, that was my mistake. Left the track, I knew I should've stayed in my lane. We managed to damage everything, you got me good. Retracted, fell back in, you were quick to make a move. Never fear the consequences of your action. Acting nonchalant like it ain't never happened. Put her in no passenger, you got her fastened. So it's not right for you to hit my line on the late night. I'm just fine, cause you're out of sight and out of my mind. Cause I do me while you do you. Wish you underpants with your new boo. You play stupid, but I was a fool for you. Watch me do me while you do you. Hope it works out with your new.
Okay everyone, thanks for watching. This is the finished look. Tell me what you thought of it. Do you think I've done any good? And I just want to say the two products that I also used in this makeup look is the Power Lips Fluid in the shade Breadwinner, and I can't hardly recommend this lipstick enough. It stays on all day, kiss proof, waterproof, smudge proof, wearing your mask in the pandemic we're in. This is a brilliant lipstick to get, I highly recommend. And also the new colour Lash and Curl Mascara. It makes your eyelashes so long, no need for false eyelashes. It's another highly recommend. So if you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what type of makeup you want me to do next. And thanks so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the bell and like button if you really like this video. Give me a like, it helps me out. And thanks again for watching. Bye for now.